Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in SEM TVGH so wafre me adwoa searching ebusa for mesro so unsubscribe ya mesro na wa subscribe fa me a notification bell no so for more news.
Se Camila Alhassan beko akodemu a it shouldn't be under Tama Mahama president ena Jaina na vice. Enka it shouldn't be this time. Why am I saying so? One, Mahama ena the only person or be the president you said that born din say a Christopher a president. Yaka Kosi said the Christ-like president. Enti a Christopher a Ghana. Susuampa say and a Christo dini juma. Yaka say or ye Christo niya or no yenim asoria woko Assemblies of God. Enti Assemblies of God for semu bedi mai swa say and Assemblies of God ni edi mai so. Bible nkyerɛkyerɛ ewo Assemblies of God mu no say and ayede ebu mai. Coming in the name of Christ and ruling like Satan. Entia Christopher mon sorry yedi mudin abeji tumi ena yebu mai ewo mudin mu. Enti Christo kwan so enie. The Bible enie. Camila Alhassan atem ben pa na odi President Mahama. Bo atem no din na yentie. Mahama na mu etimi gina simpie su ka se bawumia ye stupid. Ebi free Camila Alhassan ano baaya na. Mahama etimi ka se achim mafia. Ebi etimi free Camila no ebaye se gonjani president ana. Camila ensama wakaye no and to Mahama nsama efri Mahama na mu anoba bebre. Enti Christo kwan so Christo na oni Peter ewo tro mu ho a obi ba chi Christo a Peter twen sikan twa na so a Christo fa ye edit tare ho no Christo suban no bi ni ana a Christo fo ewo Ghana Christo ni president a ya to abama no sadia Antioch ebi mu bo mo bra a mo ka se ebra we die eye Christo bra no bi enti ye be from a Christofo enti Christo ni wutimi ade wonsasi ubo se Christo suban ena ye man panyini ebuyi ana enti wodi sa suban yi kwa asempatra ubetimi atwe akra amanyankopon sa Mahama abraboyi a ochi amanfo ogumoyi a Christopher nia etosumienu Mami Jane Emma ena ye omu sei enti senke ye beye Emma sei a enke nye mra oba eye vice president se ye beye Emma sei a Emma mo NDC mu emre bi President Akufo-Addo eko oman bi so na maye nhyiamu na mo frɛ no eno wo ka asɛm bi no wo ka sɛ Emma nkasa ena esi Emma ho kwan a emma enko manim Emma ewo NDC mu sori tia nanado say waka abususem Emma ewo NDC mumu wo emu nsori o Camila Alhassan enye oba wakokasa de yedi kan achi no nie enti emme wa NDC mu ebi a deputy chief of staff emre no duru ye no saa time no mo sorry ye say ye mo emma ho ban Camilla Alasa oba time dia sempa atempotin ben wodi ya ma mi Jane eyo man panyin be di akire ni pen so ene ye yo ba seye ani wo eye shame o kristoni abrabo emfatao o man panyin Mahama kristoni emfatao Assemblies of God abrabo emfatao Mami oba time emfatao eni kwan se sa niema we si mo penso ani wo na mo nsakira mo adwene na onyankopon hinie no
Akatre Ghana for ni na say Sebio won to me has not been active in mining since 2021 or say 2020 enyame na meka yo eye mo sa court for ya ena mo se mo di won to me atum 20 years no mo na mo beka asem de kire yen sref sa yo se justice right no ena beka asem we kire yen afa de mo say enti sa bio no ena mo dane na se sa de a or the invoice bi akoje exim na no so mo twen no to obedem na mo ankasa mo nkrofo no be gina ho e pronounce judgment already on wontumi. Oh, by 3rd July they na wontumi them 100 years they were saying it and na mo ko jeli wontumi a enya fraud no enya fraud na ye de awie scatter 10 million no na mbom wontumi asase bi galamsey ekoso wo ho according to wontumi no. He has no idea of what is going on. And when he got to know the Etienne, Pemuanka report to be my mother by you. Wound to me was the one, and no, I meant now, that wound to me first lawyer now, so the job is also sign out. Yes, I the one, the could use one, why no, meant this as you because court Nankasaba, you know, one more backlet say, Unipani ye. Away Galam say it's been some years. So, and as a mine, it's not even Galam say, mining has been some years. And in more so sumu statement, ya mo de odi asma mi ken. Odi obi opebia, odi otumi di matemba me enti ase kakra ne dia court ne de ba na mi kire mu no. One kasa court na Isaac. One kasa court no aka kire say. Wontumi and a better report to ma mo say. Per document ya mo no. Wontumi a better report to say. Asasi bi e do hon krofo yeso galamsey. According to Mwao, Sen assassin and Crawford and Crochi, Eddie, yes, I deal with. Emma Noonti Mwanka some with the security for crack or some we have fear. Maybe per se a corner one by one. No, be a kind out of me. I want us to remember all this. So that's a Kasa will be unconvenient say, oh, person who obstructed justice and answer BB. NDC is not working with the law. NDC is deliberately not working with the law. Because in your earlier submission, you had made all of us aware, say, the man has stopped mining into the mining business some years, no problem. And now one case statement say, "You won't to me now, I say, I say, na sa CB that will be a obi to a you also." A question Cecilia that Pagokas or Nusika ira. Yes, Usika na ira, the agenda so the achuatu is basically like the same thing. And Nunti Ghana for some kaya. We were not hearing of the Samra Boy case too much from the Attorney General's office because there was a lot of missteps. Into me, I am one. Ask down, I am one. What type of job are? Won't to me first lawyer no? Oh yeah. Won't to me so I don't know. Sometimes I don't know who. I don't know who advises him because some me there be obe pato e bi ana papa no. Where the case be na minim. Mpacho and penny for kakra munim no. Apia could be no munim the cases are where did Mr. I'm not saying it's not you. Mr. Mojo man for me and come Mr. Mupi. Me part as Apia could be no and the could be no. But your case ben pan where the high who's attached no na kufa the case omedi inti sa papa na nka case high profile case ben pan as Apia could be no ready. There was a lot of missteps in this. So there was a lot of missteps in this. My only question when it comes to this, oh yes, oh yeah, somebody say won't me a baby. Now must mobile could channel now. There is nothing wrong. Go ahead. Go ahead. But are you trying fairly? The other day was some 30 million money that he has defrauded with invoice. Now all of a sudden that case has gone under the carpet. Some boy case now yen said that is the one you rather go and jail the man on. And they say, oh, you're Ghana, oh, you're NDC appointee, NDC minister, NDC member. Now said the no and frighten wa. Be very careful. NDC for more than ya maybe they grow. My fan say politics be na ye, but more than ya maybe they grow. And when these things come back to bite, my brothers and sisters, believe me, it will be very bitter. When these things comes to bite, it will be very bitter. Now, yesi utu ejinamoafo no na utu momone nso fo. MPP for mpanifo. MPP for leadership. Yaba amwane yababa moso. MPP for members. My learned colleague for me wari ni nuaba. Me nini neko nsuo. Mama yanye careful. NDC for suban etise Ghana police sebe. Ghana police nkwane be shiao. No atiem. Hey my friend, come here my friend. Oh ben na ka say oh office oh hey you are not my friend also my friend. Edu baby obe plan do say you are not my friend. Ebi na NDC for you no. So who MPP now we did the pass as NDC for we be our downfall. Ebi we say what do you need Juma? Utie. So we MPP ni and away am now for many one a call when it comes to politics, NDC don't see friends. So you guys need to start learning. Say yenko prayer will be NDC people don't take into account say or no net classroom or no net tro by exam so there be obi mian na enda NDC for adom where they actually most learned colleague for no mama yen san teach mo say mu no mu gina ho sresre